Alright, so today I have this iPhone 6 Plus, and I am going to be installing this display on it today. So this is the first time I ever bought from RepairPartsUSA.com, so let's see how this works. And this is a premium aftermarket display. So the LCD, I don't believe is a genuine Apple, and no, it is not. There are no Apple markings anywhere, but the person who I am replacing their screen for said that would be a-okay. So, let's get going. One pentalobe screw out, and another pentalobe screw out. So I can tell this phone hasn't been opened for some time due to the buildup on the two pentalobe screws. So, let's get going. That was easy enough. I need a spudger. Alright, got a spudger. Let's not roll over some cords here. And let's just work our way right around here. Alright. Oh, okay. Now, I'd say the iPhone 6 Plus is one of the last, easily repairable phones. Because, starting with the 6S, I'm talking like a fucking narrator. Talking like lock-picking lawyer. Yeah, but because... let's not do that. But I don't know if this phone has been opened before. Yes, it has. This is a replacement screen. Okay. Alright. But because the iPhone 6S has, a rubber gasket, well, not rubber gasket, a watertight seal around the display, you gotta, get that off before you can pull up the display. Starting with the iPhone 6S, if I didn't already say that. Can this come off, maybe? That'd be very kind of you. There we go. Just put that right there. Unplug the battery. And now let's get on to the display right here. That's 2, 4, 5 screws. Should be... oh, motherfucker. Don't drop your screwdriver. That would be most unfortunate. Oh, fuck, I already got that out. Just tried to unscrew a screw that wasn't there. Right, so I've got all the screws out and just unplugged the screen from there. And now, time to transfer everything over from this screen to this one. Now, I'm going to start by taking out these screws right here. There's one. There's two. And I'm going to tell you a story about what I did yesterday. Yeah, let's go with that. So yesterday was a Friday, and as you know, in the US, people have school and work on Friday. And so yesterday after school, I met up with my friend, and we caught an elevator ride, and we went to the basement of the school. Now, the thing about this particular school is it's a extremely large school, right? So, yeah, the basement pretty much goes from one end to the other, and the school, not the actual, school building, but the school property takes up 16 blocks, has multiple, baseball fields and stuff, and football fields, and tennis court. Holy shit, it has a lot of tennis courts, indoor and outdoor. So there's that, and down there's this like HVAC machine that I was being a dumbass, and I opened, and so the door like swung open to this big HVAC machine, and it was just blasting air. It was like standing in the middle of a hurricane, right? And it was just blasting air. And when it came time to close the door, like the air would just blow it shut, so I just stopped pushing on it. But my thumb and my hand, well, my middle finger, were kind of in between the door, and it slammed shut on my hand. And and my thumb like started bleeding like crazy. So anyway, I'm gonna get this tape off so I can like remove the home button. Just remove the tape. Now let's push the home button out. Okay, easy enough. Now, was previously repaired, so we should just be able to do that. Now, if it wasn't previously repaired, I would be a lot more careful in just pulling it off. But now, let's do this. Oh yes, that's right. The home button cable, hairdryer. Okay, well the home button cable is still attached to the housing here, the frame of the phone. So let's get in there, and I am having a hard time getting in there. Okay, you know, I'm gonna have to do this off camera because I would want to take this nice and slow as to not damage anything. Alright, so I got it off, right, just like that. And now, all I have to do is pull it away, and it's that easy. Alright. Just put that aside and put the home button aside, and let's transfer over the camera and speaker. So let's can we peel this strip off? Okay. Just like that. And then we can take the speaker out and get in there. I'm also going to want to take this part really slow, so I'm just going to remove everything that's right here. Okay, so all I did is literally just poke that and it came off, so that makes my job a lot easier. So I guess I can record this part. Okay, let's get this out, and that was also pretty easy because this phone has been repaired before. Alright, now this is pretty dirty, but I think it'll be fine because there's no dirt on the actual like camera lens itself, and that's the part that matters. Just get that on, line it up with the hole. Okay. And then let's get that on. Beautiful. Okay, then let's put the speaker where it goes, which is right there. Okay. Okay, now let's install here, let's let's install this part before we screw the actual, screw the actual, fuck, should have installed this first, and also I need to remove this pink stuff. Come on. Alright, there we go. Oh. Let's try and get the home button cable under there, where it goes. I can actually do that later. Just need to put that right there. Or actually, I don't think I actually needed to do that, because I think I could have just installed this before. Oh well. Okay. So everything's lined up, yes, and let's start screwing things in. Let's get that screw right there. Put it right there. Okay. That screw right there. Put it right there. That screw right there. Put it right there. It's really that easy. So now what we're gonna do is push the home button connector right down there where it goes. Okay, now it's sticking there. And I guess the home button would be fine. It's kind of crooked. Let's make it not crooked. Alright, there we go. Then let's just push the home button connector right down. Oh yeah. Alright. Now, let's get this. And I don't think that the top screw right there was there when I opened the phone, so I don't think I'll be reinstalling that. So let's get these two screws, put them back where they go. Yep. Awesome. And then I guess this screw right here can go where it's supposed to go. And I'm gonna go lock my door right now because someone is gonna come in and interrupt recording. Alright, now let's put the home button there. Okay. And let's start reinstalling these side screws. Should get it on the screwdriver first. So I recently started playing Skyrim, and now I am a big Fallout fan. I've played, well, I have played Fallout 3, New Vegas, and 4, including all of their DLCs. And I'm going to start on Fallout 1, 2, and Tactics, and Brotherhood of Steel, if that's a thing. So it's just, I've heard Tactics and Brotherhood of Steel. So my knowledge of Brotherhood of Steel is, I don't know if it's a real game. I know, I just haven't really looked into it, but like, I don't know if it's on Steam or anything, because I have all of the Fallout games on Steam, and I don't know if Brotherhood of Steel is on there, so maybe I'll have to get it from somewhere else. Okay. But yeah, got the Fallout 1 manual, and I'm currently reading through it, and it's actually not that bad. It's probably the best manual for anything I've ever read. Yeah, so what, like, the day I finish reading the manual is the day I'm gonna start Fallout 1, or maybe even earlier if I don't feel like finishing the manual before starting. Yeah. Okay, this last screw here. Beautiful. Okay. Now, let's get all the fingerprints off the back here with some rubbing alcohol. Alright. Let's just wipe this down. Okay. Well, it's better than it was, at least. I can't really apply too much pressure, as it is a screen to clean it. But let's plug it in and see what we're working with. Okay, let's just line this up just like that, and connectors really don't fuck me. Okay, connectors don't want to line up, and they never do on these third-party displays, really. Come on, stop doing that. Okay, let's just line that up, push down. Okay, both sides, heard a click. Okay, line this up. Come on. That didn't go. But like, or maybe it did. It's not clicking, but I think it might have worked. Okay, plug the battery in, and here we are. It works. That's beautiful. Let's make sure the home button works and everything before I, like, you know, seal it up. Alright. Also, I recently got a Samsung Galaxy S10e. Yeah. I ordered it. It hasn't come yet. It was supposed to come yesterday, but knowing USPS, it didn't. Okay. Can we move this to click the home button? Yes. Okay. Looks like it works. Yep. All right. Easy enough. Let's reinstall the screws now. And you don't really need to turn it off to reinstall the screws, but I will just because I can, you know. Okay. Now, let's put that like that. Screwdriver, right here. Start with this longer screw. That always goes in the top right. Can you see what I'm doing? No, you cannot, but let's move the camera to be right there. Now you oh, my arm is gonna be in the way. That is always the best. How about there? No, that's even worse. Okay, I guess I can do it like that, but then it's like right in front of me and now I can't see. But that's okay. Let's install that. Install. Okay, come on. Install that, and now all these screws are different sizes. How crazy is that? And that's why this isn't a guide, because if it was, I would have said that in the beginning. Okay. Got that installed. Now, let's get this installed. Come on. There we go. My hand is totally in the way of the camera, which is always good. Causes it to lose focus. There we go. Alright. Let's seal the phone back up. Okay, it's kind of coming up at the edge here, but I think once I install the pentaloop screws it should be fine, really. And the guy is here. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut it short. I'll install the pentaloop screws real quick. Yeah. Anyway, that's just great. It works, and I'll see you next time.